This is the model you printed, and this is the model I've printed. Why is there such a big difference using the same equipment? Today, I'm sharing 5 little software tricks that'll get rid of your layer line problems once and for all. Number 1. Adjust the nozzle layer height. Without a doubt, this is the simplest and most direct method. A smaller number means a more detailed result, but the downside is that you print very slow. I once tried using a 0.08mm layer height setting, and a model that should have taken only 40 minutes to print ended up taking 3 hours. So if you have enough time and patience, without a doubt this is the best solution for you. Number 2. Use variable layer height. Find the toolbar at the top, click Adaptive, click Smoothing Mode. After enabling variable layer height, the software will automatically apply different layer heights to different areas of the model. Use smaller layer heights on the slopes, and maintain larger layer heights on flat surfaces. This way you optimize surface details without sacrificing too much efficiency. Number 3. Set the inner-outer wall order. This is a more advanced technique. We can change the wall order to outside wall first, then inner wall. Also, scroll down and check Avoid crossing outer walls. The benefit of this is that the outer wall cools and solidifies first, thereby reducing the impact when the internal lines extrude and shrink. And checking Avoid crossing outer walls can reduce travels over the outer walls during printing. One extra point to consider is, parts with threads should not use outside wall first, otherwise the threads may not print correctly. Number 4. Reduce the outer wall printing speed. We can set the outer wall printing speed in the software to half of the default parameter. This extends the printing time for the model surface, allowing for better cooling and solidification. However, this method isn't suitable for all models. If your model has overhangs, then the overhang parameters also need adjustment. Usually, we can solve this by reducing the overhang speed, but slower isn't always better here. For long overhang spans, the filament will sag due to the low printing speed, so this really requires some experience and skill. If you're just a beginner and don't want to waste your precious filament, then I suggest you simply ignore this piece of advice. Number 5. Increase the minimum layer time. Open the filament settings, increase the value for default layer time, and also check the option below it. The underlying principle of this method is similar to the previous one. Both reduce the printing speed to extend the cooling time for the model surface. This one is much simpler to operate. However, this method also has a drawback. That is, because the printing and cooling time becomes longer, the nozzle can be prone to clogging. Fortunately, I have the Cobra S1 combo printer. It's truly top of the line and reliable, greatly reducing my failure rate and cleaning effort. And there you go. That's all the content for this video. I hope you can master these 5 techniques. If you have other methods, you're also welcome to share them in the comment section. Don't forget to like, favorite, and follow. See you in the next video.